Hello, my friends. This is Cathy, and welcome to Library Hunter. Let's explore together in the world of libraries, cultures, and adventures. Today, we are going to take a tour at the Culver City Library, located in the heart of Los Angeles County.
We are going to explore an extensive selection of books dedicated to architecture, a nice Japanese garden outside of the library, and some architectural fun facts about this vibrant city. Looking at the map, we can see that Culver City is a popular LA suburb. It lies adjacent to the bustling I-405 freeway.
Culver City is famous for its cutting-edge architecture and design. So before we step into the library, let's quickly walk through the famous Culver City architecture area. This entire 1-mile circled area was designed by Eric Owen Moss. If you are curious, like me, you can easily find the designer's website to enjoy some nice photographs of the stunning, innovative designs in the area. Vespertine is a notable restaurant and cultural venue. The Rapper Tower is another avant-garde landmark in Culver City. The Samotor Tower is an information tower built in 2010, and my favorite design is this cactus tower. It's a real eye-catcher. It's a symbol of the drought-tolerant greenery on the West LA skyline with an outdoor space and a new truss typology.
Now, without further ado, let's get started on today's library adventure. Julian Dixon Library is a vibrant branch of the LA County Library System, named after the Honorable Representative for the 32nd United States Congressional District. Oh, by the way, don't confuse the LA Public Library with the county libraries. These are two separate systems. LAPL system serves the city of Los Angeles, while LA County Library operates county-wide, encompassing unincorporated areas and various cities within Los Angeles County. Kids and teens are encouraged to let their imagination shine using original designs to draw, paint, or create their own bookmark. Each of the library's 85 locations will select one winner from 4 age groups. County-wide winners will see their bookmark design professionally printed and distributed across all 85 LA County Library locations.
There are quite a few engaging and relevant programs, such as leveraging AI for writing, offering creative inspiration for beginners. You can drop off household batteries for recycling at the library's designated recycling boxes.
Look at these nicely handmade felt art on the walls. They seem to be made by entangling wool fibers, presenting the city thriving alongside the bustling 405 freeway, showcasing its rich heritage, vibrant arts, and culinary scene, all easily accessible from this dynamic transportation artery.
Now, as usual, let's take a sneak peek at the books being reserved by the residents. Wow, it's that Lessons in Chemistry again. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll know we've encountered this book at least 4 times already. I am super curious now.
I still remember when I heard of Culver City for the first time, I was told that it is famous for its film history, vibrant art scene, and cutting-edge architecture and design.
I heard that the Culver City Library offers a nice collection of books, especially the book arrays dedicated to architecture. with a strong emphasis on sustainable design. In case you don't know yet, Culver City's history is deeply intertwined with innovative architecture. Once a film studio hub, it's now a canvas for architectural experimentation. Today, Culver City continues to embrace innovative design with eco-friendly buildings and adaptive reuse projects, preserving its past while shaping a visionary future. Let's take a quick glance at this book, The Solar House by Anthony Denzer. Solar houses are more and more popular due to their sustainability, cost savings, and environmental benefits. They reduce energy bills, receive government incentives, increase property value, and align with eco-conscious living. It is an appealing choice for a greener and more economically savvy future.
Now, as we delve into the captivating book, Architectural Guidebook of Los Angeles, it unravels the city's architectural tapestry, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems. It even mentions the USC Doheny Library that we visited previously. For the Culver City chapter, it introduces the significant architectural landmarks in the city, such as the Culver Hotel, Culver Studios, and the new designs that we mentioned earlier. And spoiler alert, I'm going to visit the libraries at University of California, Los Angeles soon. As an alumnus, I can guarantee you that the UCLA Powell Library is a must-see. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.
From the window we can see the Bologna Creek, a vital waterway in Los Angeles. We will take a closer look when we head out. And now we are moving to the children's reading area. There are more beautiful handmade arts hanging on the walls.
Hispanic Hollywood is often referred to as Hollywood's New Wave. It represents the growing influence of Hispanic talent in the American film industry.
Now, it's game time. How many countries can you guess by their silhouette? Okay, let's head out now. The Culver City Library was established in 1915 in the new Pacific Electric Railroad depot. The library moved to various locations throughout the city before settling to its present location in 1971. Here, we can see the meditation garden gracing the front of the library. Have you heard of the International Sister City program? It connects cities worldwide, encouraging cultural exchange and friendships. This beautiful garden was a gift from Kaizuka City, Japan, to Culver City, California. Shortly after their volleyball team's visit in 1962, the mayor of Kaizuka City asked the city of Culver City to become their sister city. This marked the first time in the history of the International Sister City program that a foreign city asked an American city to affiliate as a sister city. What a milestone in history. Now, let's take a closer look at the Ballona Creek next to the library. Flowing through urban and natural landscapes, it connects Los Angeles to the Pacific Ocean, offering a unique, ecological, and recreational corridor. Before we wrap things up, let's add some excitement with a little challenge. Can you recall the names of these 3 iconic designs? Don't worry if you can't. You can always rewind and give your memory a fun workout. And that concludes our library tour today. Hope you enjoyed the journey with me. This is Cathy, the Library Hunter. See you in the next library.
Bye.